The fort was further strengthened with stone walls during Hyder Ali's reign. Early paintings suggest this Ganesha temple was built by the Wadiyars before the reign of Hyder Ali. Stucco work on the gate walls suggests Islamic influence brought during Hyder and Tipu's regime. End of 18th century saw a series of wars between Tipu Sultan and the British, famously known as the Anglo-Mysore Wars. The first two were won by Tipu. On the night of 21st March 1791, British troops breached the fort during the Third Anglo-Mysore War. Stone from the fort walls was used for constructing many buildings across the city.
I think the fort is important because it was the site of a very significant event in Indian history, by which I mean the Battle of Bangalore, which took place in March 1791. It's also important because it is a really good example of 18th century military architecture in the Mysore region. So for both of these reasons, I think the fort is still immensely significant. In addition, there are other things that have happened in and around the fort which are important from Bangalore's history point of view. So for example, the first time electricity came to Bangalore, it was a street lamp that was lit just outside the fort. That was the first one that came on. The whole transformer that powered the city of Bangalore, the first thing was actually just outside the fort walls. So all of these things have, the fort has remained a central portion through a large part of the city's history.